Namaste. So when we come across PCOD and or any kind of hormonal imbalance, or it could be fertility related issues, or it could be obesity, or in general talking about it, we can say about the lifestyle disorders. So most of the lifestyle disorders, it could be PCOD or hormonal imbalances or thyroidism, diabetes, obesity, or fertility issues. Most of this conditions are influenced by certain causative factors. So mostly is genetics. Genetics play a major role when it comes towards your health. Secondly, it's your lifestyle imbalances. Third is your stress. If you're stressed, then it's going to definitely affect your hormonal imbalance. Then apart from that, your dinacharya, your routine, if you're not eating well, if you're not sleeping on time, if you're not waking up early, if you're having your dinners late after sunset, that is going to impact on your health. Or certain health issues like chronic conditions, if you are prone to certain health issues, or if you have suffered certain health issues previously, और इफ़ यू हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ वर्म इन्फेस्टेशन, हेलमिंथ इन्फेस्टेशन जिसको हम लोग कृमि बोलते हैं, या जंत फॉर दैट मैटर. सो इफ़ यू आर यूज टू दैट वर्म इन्फेस्टेशन, दैट कुड ट्रिगर any condition. If you're constipated for too long, since many years, if you're constipated, if you're not passing motions on a daily basis, या अगर motions भी होते हैं तो भी clear नहीं होते हैं, that can also lead to further health challenges, health conditions. So there are various multiple factors we need to think about, and then we have to first figure out what are the causative factors, and then the treatment begins with certain ailments. But always I say, being an Ayurvedic doctor, Ayurveda always insists on towards correcting your lifestyle, correcting your dinacharya, your daily dietary regime, making sure that you're exercising on a regular basis. So being an Ayurvedic physician, I always emphasize that before jumping on to any kind of hormonal medications or pills, because there are many females who are consuming certain hormonal pills or medications for years together, and once they stop those medicines, they are back to zero. The condition is still there, the PCOD is still there, the irregular periods are still there. That particular ailment is not treated from root. So if you want that particular ailment to get treated completely from root, you need to make sure that you are starting with one small step at a time. Start today with exercising. Yoga, I always recommend yoga. Yogasana is the best form of exercise. Ayurveda and yoga go hand in hand. So I personally recommend yoga. Yoga is not only a form of physical exercise, it also helps to balance it helps to balance your mind and your body, your psychological health and your physical well-being together. So it balances in a way that every yogasana which works at the particular organ level, it not only helps to achieve you that toning of the body or flexibility, it's beyond that. It helps to achieve correction at that particular organ level. अगर आपके organs ठीक से function नहीं कर रहे, if your hormonal secretion is not well, yogasanas will make sure that it's corrected, it's balanced, and eventually your body will start processing it properly and your hormonal balance will be achieved. So yogasana is the best form of exercise. Start doing yogasanas on a regular basis. Of course, apart from that, make sure you're correcting with your lifestyle. If you can make this small change in your lifestyle, you have to make sure that you're not eating anything heavy after sunset. Ayurveda doesn't recommend anything heavy or anything solid after sunset, सूर्यास्त के बाद. So अगर आप सूर्यास्त के बाद रोटी खाएंगे, राइस खाएंगे, और जो भी आप हैवी खाते हैं, काफ़ी बार टू बी ऑनेस्ट, व्हेन आई कम अक्रॉस सो मैनी पेशेंट्स, उनका यही कहना होता है कि हम लोग डिनर्स कोई अच्छा बना के खाते हैं. इट कुड बी पाव भाजी, डोसा या पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर, क्योंकि उसी टाइम पे सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स घर पे होते हैं एंड वी ऑल वांट टू जस्ट सिट टुगेदर एंड ईट अ गुड मील. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन सिनारियो इन मोस्ट ऑफ द हाउस होल्ड्स. सो बट दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करेक्शन यू नीड टू डू. सो सूर्यास्त के बाद अगर आप ये सब हैवी खाएंगे तो योर डाइजेस्टिव फायर इज़ वीक. After sunset, it will not be able to digest the food you're eating, especially you're eating junk, especially if you're eating too much of heavy food. It's all getting converted into toxins. It can lead to further indigestion, further constipation, and if you're constipated, whatever, no matter what kind of nutrients you're consuming, no matter what kind of good food you're consuming, it's all going into drain, it's all going into trash. You are not getting benefited with any kind of nutrient of the food consumed, because whatever food you're consuming late night, it's all getting indigested, and the toxin accumulation because of which is aggravating in your body, which can further lead to certain bodily imbalances or dosha dhatu imbalances, or it could lead to hormonal imbalances leading to certain ailments in future. Because according to Ayurveda, rogaha sarveyapi manda agni, if your digestive fire is manda मतलब वीक है, तो रोगाह सर्वे अपी, आप सारी बीमारियां अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट फ्रॉम हेयर फॉल टू कैंसर, आप कोई भी बीमारी अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू आर कॉन्स्टिपेटेड। अगर आप बार बार ऐसे रात को खाते हैं, इंडाइजेशन है, ब्लोटेडनेस है, गैस हो रहा है, फार्ट्स हो रहे हैं, डकार आ रहे हैं, खाने के बाद इमीडिएटली इफ़ योर स्टमक इज़ ब्लोटेड, यू डोंट फील लाइक ईटिंग, you are definitely going to invite मल्टीपल एलिमेंट्स। सो मेक श्योर कि आप खाना रात को सूर्यास्त के बाद हैवी नहीं खाते हैं। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट करेक्शन यू हैव टू डू इज़ यू हैव टू स्लीप अर्ली एंड वेक अप अर्ली। ट्राई एंड स्लीप मैक्सिमम बाय 10-10:30 एट नाइट एंड वेक अप मैक्सिमम बाय 6-6:30 in the morning. So these are the basic corrections you have to do. Exercise on a regular basis, as I mentioned, yoga. Try to practice yoga on a regular basis. So these are the basic corrections you have to do. And once you start with smaller steps, once you start with a small correction, you will achieve bigger results, bigger corrections in your body, and you will not require any kind of medications, you will not require any kind of artificial hormonal supplements, you will not require any kind of multivitamins, or you will not have any kind of deficiencies in your body, because you are following a decent dietary regime, your lifestyle regime. तो आप जो भी खाते हैं वो अच्छे से पचता है, द नरिशमेंट इज़ अचीव टू इट्स मोस्ट, जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है वो अच्छे से होता है, एंड यू कैन अवॉइड सर्टन एलिमेंट्स. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव अ हार्मोनल बैलेंस, योर हार्मोनल हेल्थ इवेंचुअली, मेक श्योर यू आर फॉलोइंग दिस बेसिक डूज एंड डोंट्स.